Hi everyone, and welcome back to Super User Projectile. So today we're going to be taking a look at this Pi fan controller. You can see the temperature there. I have this fan in here, and it's kind of loud at the moment, but we're going to fix that. It runs constantly, which is kind of an annoyance as far as sound goes, but we're going to fix that. I have these resistors here. I didn't have the right ohmage, so I had to add up multiples. But if you get the right kind, then you won't have to do this. I have a transistor here, NPN transistor. I'll link all these parts in the description. Then we're going to plug this into the Pi. Make sure you get it in the right port or pin. We're connecting everything here. We'll plug this in too, right next to the other one. So this will cool the RasTab quieter than it was. Very quiet, in fact. It only kicks on when we need it. I'll also leave the source in the description where I got this from. We're just going to wrap everything up here. You don't want the metal touching the Pi or anything like that. And you're going to want to run some commands in the terminal. This one, answer yes to any prompts. This one, So that was it. Reboot your Pi and enjoy.